So guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said on my last video, I was going to show you the full tutorial on how I got my perfect melted frontal. Okay, and this is a full tutorial of how I got my beautiful style that I posted on my last video. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Alright, this is a U-frontal. Alright, for you guys that don't know U-frontal, this is a U-frontal. Okay, so this is me after I've laid it on my customer's head. I'm cutting off the lace now. Alright, so I will size it very well. This is me applying my glue. So after applying your glue, you use your hand dryer to dry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then you place your frontal carefully on the glue, not before the glue and not after the glue. So after you place your frontal on the glue, then you take your headband, then you band. Okay, then after banding, you dry very well. This is me creating the style. Alright, I'm taking my time to create the style because the customer brought a different style to you. So this is me creating the style. So guys, if today is the first time of coming across my video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to hit the notification button, so anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be notified. Alright, so this is the finish of the installation. Okay, if you want to get something like this, then on my next video I will be showing you my materials for my installations. Alright, so this is how beautiful the hair look. So you can style your U-frontal like this, and I will be teaching you on how to style your frontal in different ways. Alright, don't forget to like and share my videos. Okay, so the customer was feeling her hair. She loved it. Okay, so guys, if this video was helpful to you, just hit the notification button and subscribe to my channel, and I promise to always give you full videos of all my installation. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So guys, thanks for watching, and I promise you my next video will be very educative. Alright.